Grabe yung referee kay Luka Doncic. Sumuko ang Lakers superstar. Napa-raise the roof naman si LeBron James sa ginawa ni Dalton Knecht. Short ang rotation ng Los Angeles Lakers sa ngayon. No LeBron James, no Rui Hachimura, Jackson Hayes, and Dorian Finney-Smith. A different starting five for JJ Redick, Alex Len in. Solid ang simula ni Gabe Vincent in 5-minute start. Nakapagtala kagad ng 8 points ang former Miami Heat guard. 2 3-pointers for Gabe, parehong wide open. Maaga namang nasunog ang coaches challenge ng Los Angeles Lakers matapos nilang i-contest yung foul na tinawag kay Luka. Umabot lang naman ng double digit ang lamang ng purple and gold sa Brooklyn Nets. Nabuli pa ni Luka Doncic ang former teammate ni Bronny sa high school na si Zaire Williams. That's a reverse layup for Luka. Nagtuloy-tuloy ang hot shooting ni Gabe Vincent, another 3-pointer, and he blows by the defense of the Brooklyn Nets. Another 2 points, 13 points in 7 minutes of playing time. Pero hindi magkakaroon ng magagandang shot opportunity itong si Gabe Vincent kung hindi dahil kay Luka na madalas i-blitz ng Brooklyn. Ito, mala Stephen Curry behind the back dribble, lumusot sa dalawang bantay si Luka and he bullied the defense again of the Nets. Bagsak yung bantay kay Luka, mga idol, sabay stare down. To end the third quarter, isa pang solid na outlet pass mula naman kay Austin Reeves to Dalton Knecht again. Two-handed dunk lamang, mga idol, ng 12 ang Los Angeles Lakers, 28-16. End of first. Third quarter dito na nag-run ng Brooklyn Nets at naibaba nila sa single digit ang lamang, mga idol, ng purple and gold. X-factor para sa visiting team, itong si Jordan Goodwin na nakapagtala ng 4 na 3-pointers for the Lake Show. Solid yung bench ng Brooklyn Nets, mga idol, 20 bench points. Di pa nakakapagtala niya ng punto si D'Angelo Russell pero nahirapan ang purple and gold. Luka with his first triple of the game after missing 5 3-point shot attempts. Sabay stare down si Luka. Ang daming tres na naitala ng Brooklyn sa quarter na to. Jordan Goodwin off the bench, 5 out of 5 from the field sa first half in just 10 minutes of playing time with 4 rebounds. Napaka-solid niyan, mga idol. All in all, maalat si Luka, 4 out of 14 lamang sa field, habang si Austin Reeves 0-for-7. Di pa bumabalik ang dating AR simula ng ma-injury. Tied at 45 under 3 minutes. Dalton Knecht mula sa assist ni Luka. Kung may iniindang injury itong si Luka Doncic, LeBron James na pa-raise the roof sa ginawa ni Dalton. Medyo may pagkakahawig sa dunk ni LeBron ang ginawa ni DK. Rough second quarter for the Los Angeles Lakers. Nakalamang ang Brooklyn Nets 48-47 at the end of first half. Ang pagkakawala ni LeBron, Rui Hachimura, Jackson Hayes at Dorian Finney-Smith ang nagpahina naman sa defense ng purple and gold. Medyo mabagal itong si Alex Len at hindi niya madepensahan gaano ang paint. Sa pa, hindi rin athletic ang big man na to kaya hindi binabatuhan ng lob pass ni Luka. 8 points na ang hinahabol ng Lakers, 59-51. 1 point and 1 assist away na lang si Luka Doncic for another triple-double performance. Mas nagko-complement pa itong si Trey Jemison III sa style ni Luka and more athletic. Nakapagbigay rin siya ng decent defense with 2 block shot off the bench. Still a lot of work to do para sa visiting team. Dalton Knecht with 11 points. Solid game so far for DK. With 4 minutes left in the game clock, Jared Vanderbilt to regain the lead, 65-64. Finally, after a lots of contact, nakakuha na rin ng foul si Luka Doncic. Sigh of relief for Luka, triple-double na, 10 points, 10 rebounds, 10 dimes. With 2 minutes left in the game clock, sagutan na ng 3-pointer Dalton Knecht with a 3-point bucket, 14 points for DK, 3 3-pointers naman ang counter ng Brooklyn Nets. May naitalang tres din si Luka at 3-pointer for Gabe Vincent. Patuloy ang pagblitz ng Brooklyn Nets dito kay Luka Doncic, not a 3-point foul sabi ng referee sa play na to. Reklamo naman si Luka at natawagan pa ng technical. 13 lead changes dito sa third quarter, lamang ng dalawa ang home team, 81-79. Start of fourth and final quarter, finally D'Angelo Russell with his first field goal of the game. Kumounter si Dalton Knecht with his third triple. Si DK ang may pinakamataas na efficiency for the Lake Show, mga idol. 2-point lead na lang sana ang inahabol ng Lakers, 5-point swing for the Nets, back to 7 points ang inahabol ng visiting team, 90-85. With 5-minute mark ng final quarter, not a shooting foul ang itinawag ng referee kay Luka Doncic. Counted pa naman din sana at nasayang yung 3-point opportunity. Mukhang nakakaramdam na ng unfair ruling itong si Luka Doncic. Hindi lang siya makapag-rant dahil may technical foul na siya. Inaan na lang sa sipag ng Los Angeles Lakers ang laban at naibaba sa 2 ang lamang ng Brooklyn 97-95. 10-2 run. Last 2 minutes sagutan ng 3-pointer Gabe Vincent from the corner. From the wing naman ang sagot dyan ni D'Lo. But a crazy ending, nakapagtala pa ng 3-pointer si Austin Reeves last 40 seconds. Nabuhayan ng Lakers crowd. May pag-asa pang makambak ang Brooklyn Nets pero nakapagtala ng dagger layup si Zaire Williams, panalo pa rin ang home team.